Welcome to The Secret Chef with me, Chef Gazpacho. This is the show where we teach you how to cook. Today we're gonna make the secret recipe that my mama used to make. Pretty special, no? We're gonna need some very nice ingredients if we wanna make it. Let's take a look at what we're gonna use. Ooh, those look tasty. Now let's mix these together. Smells good. Now I'm gonna cook it up with that special gazpacho touch. Ta-da! Now this is a meal that would make my mama squeal with joy. You should give it a try. Let me give you that recipe just one more time. I hope you enjoy my little show. Remember, keep cooking.
The Secret Chef was brought to you by